Hello, life fans. I have a noise putty from the Da Vinci Center, and I put surprises in it. Let's take it out. You can kind of see what is in here. So we're going to dig for in this to see what it is. Ooh, it's so stretchy and guck. I see something. This is Dennis Bat from season 5 in the sports section. Put this back in. Now we still have this chunk to go. Do you guys see that? It is Melty Moment from season 5, and it's in the bakery. And the last but not least is Wendy Wedding Cake. She's from season 3, also in the bakery section. So here are all the shotguns I found in this noise putty fart putty. Now I want to hear something funny. Let's take it all out. It makes fart noises. Cool, right? Bye.